To verify cloud identity, you can verify the domain. Okay, you can see verify domain. Okay, this is for cloud identity verification from our domain account to Google Cloud. Verify it. It's opening. There you can see protect. Click on protect. I'm ready to protect my domain. Fine, it's opening. The DNS records has to be added in our hosting, whichever you have taken, right? Yep. Copy that code. Copied. I go to the domain. Yeah. Add the record. Text, right? On top, you can see the text button. Text. Yeah. Verified. Yeah. Text. Paste it. We need to mention the domain. My domain is TV369 and paste that. Save the record. I'm verifying, that's it. That's the reason opening the tabs. It will take some time. Yeah, see, there you can see that, right? It has been successfully added. Then go to the tab and protect the domain. Fine, it will take some time, approximately 5 minutes. Yeah, it's, see, I'm going into the tab, Google Console, okay, GCP Console, adding that username. I created a two accounts. One is Venkat T. See, just I'm verifying that. Secondary, add the user. Existing. See that already I have in that big rock. That's the reason I given, and it's not displaying here, right? Again, it's not properly saved. That is the reason. Yeah, refresh. I'm trying to refresh. No. Go to add user. Again, trying to add. That's it. Add user. Continue. I'm giving second time. Transfer the request. First one. Yes. In real time, this is not required. All those things will be uh, taken care by separate team, workspace team. We don't have access for that because here I'm doing everything. That is the reason. I'm trying to connect. Okay, given password. It's not required. All those things. Yeah, it's connected to this server like console, right? You can see my project. It's not showing, right? It has to show. Organization has to show. I mean, correct account only. Just I'm verifying. It's not showing. We need to give new project also. It won't show. See this one? No organization. Okay. If you click on that also, no organization. Fine. It won't. What you need to do is you have to before doing that you have to verify from that email ID. Okay, we created Venkat at the rate of TV. We have domain, right? See, this is okay. Fine, it is coming. I'm the owner. I'm saying, see, in the cloud again. I'm connecting. See, I verified that. Now you can see admin. Yeah, it is displaying. Now you can see here. It will take some time. Oh, thanks. Oh, I have to give. No, fine. Admin. Yes, admin. My account. I'm going into Venkat at the rate of my domain. There we can add in bot. This is not required. Just open. Add. See, it is showing $300, right? That's why it's not added. Admin account is not added. Later I will show you that. Cancel. See, it is displaying there. My domain account. Organization. org we can type. Manage resources. You see that? Okay. Like that, you can verify the account, whatever project it's displaying, right? Okay. In coming video, we can able to see all the interview questions. Go through my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.